This is Sheshad Raju. Today we will discuss about the 8th chapter of 10th class, that is similar triangles. Similar? We can denote similar triangles by 4 types, that is SSS criteria, SAS and AA and AAA. These are the 4 types of criteria for identifying similar triangles. First one is side, that is SSS criteria. That means if 2 triangles are taken, there will be these 3 sides must be equal. First this one 5, 6, 7 and this one also 5, 6, 7. This is the similar triangle. 5, 6, 7 and this is also 5, 6, 7. Both these 2 similar triangles, 2 sides are equal for 5, 5 and 6, 6, 7, 7. This type is based on the side criteria. And next one, side angle side, means first side, these 2 triangles, this one 5, this is 30 degrees and this is 9. You can take this is 5, this is 30 degrees and this is 9. Side angle side. This is second type, side angle side. Next, angle means 2 angles are equal. 2 angles are equal in 2 triangles. This is 30. This is also 30. Next, angle. These two sides, 2 angles are equal. Next, this one angle means 3 angles, that is 30, 60, this one 90. All the sum of the all angles must be 180 in the triangle. It is also 30, 60 and 90. These are the similar triangles based on the 4 criteria. In a triangle PQR, ST is a line such that PS by SQ equals to PT by TR, and also angle PST, that is S angle, is equals to PRQ. These 2 angles are equal. Prove that triangle PQR is an isosceles triangle. First to do this problem, you know that basic proportionality theorem, that is BPT. It is also known as Thales theorem. In this theorem, it is a triangle and PS, this side, PS by SQ equals to PT by TR. Both these ones are equal. Then ST is to this middle line. ST is parallel to QR. It is the basic proportionality theorem, this Thales theorem. And from this problem, for this problem, given triangle PQR, ST is a line such that PS by SQ equals to PT by TR they are given. So PS by SQ and PT by TR they are given by the basic proportionality theorem, by BPT. You know that ST is parallel to QR. That is basic proportionality theorem. ST is parallel to QR. From this, angle PST equals to, these 2 are parallel. Then PST is equals to PQR. If they are parallel to each other, then PST is, this angle is equals to this angle. PQR is first equation. From the given angle PST is equals to PRQ. Given angle PST is equals to PRQ. This second equation. From 1 and 2, here both PST is equal, then PQ, angle PQR equals to angle PRQ. This angle Q equals to angle R. This angle Q equals to angle R. These two sides are, two angles are equal in triangle PQR. Then PQR is a triangle. PQR is a isosceles triangle. Isosceles means two angles or two sides must be equal. Therefore, in the given figure, LM is parallel to CB and LN is parallel to CD. Prove that AN by AB equals to AN by AD. First given, it is LM is parallel to CB and LN is parallel to CD. This is the given, and we want to prove that is required to prove is AM by AB equals to AN by AD. This is the required to prove. And procedure, it is the given from the triangle from ABC, the triangle ABC, it is LM is parallel to CB. You can write by BPT, basic proportionality theorem. You can write as AM by AB, AM by AB equals to AL by AC, AL by AC by basic proportionality theorem, AL by AC. This is the first equation. From the triangle ACD, this one given, LN is parallel to CD. LN is parallel to CD. Then by BPT, we can write as AN by AD. AN by AD equals to AL by AC. AL by AC. This is the second equation. By 1 and 2 equations, we can write as these two are equal. AL by AC in the first two equations. Then we can write AM by these two must be equal. If these two sides are equal, then this also equal. You can write AM by AB equals to AM by AD. This is the required to prove. In figure, DE is parallel to AC and DF is parallel to AE. DE is parallel to AC and DF is parallel to AE. Prove that BF by FE equals to BE by EC. Given, first we can write given that is DE is parallel to AC and DF is parallel to AE, and we want to require to prove, we can write required to prove is BF by FE equals to BE by EC is the required to prove. Then procedure, that is first take DE by EC means DE by EC. EC, that is whole triangle, that is triangle ABC. From triangle ABC, DE is parallel to AC means by BPT we can write DE is parallel to AC means this angle, this side and this side. Then we can write as B by EC equals to BD by DA. To the first equation. From triangle, next DF is parallel to DF. DF is parallel to AE. You require only this time. It is triangle ABE. You know that DF is parallel to AE. By BPT, it is equals to BPT. We can write as BD by DA equals to BF by FE. This is the second equation. From this, BD by DA is equal in both two equations. Then we can write as from 1 and 2. We can write as B by EC equals to DF by FE. This BF by FE equals to BE by EC. This or it is a trapezium in which AB is parallel to DC and its diagonal intersect each other at point O. So that AO by BO equals to CO by DO. First we want to construct a trapezium which is in the form of ABCD. Can construct trapezium like this. It is a trapezium in the form of ABCD. Then AB is parallel to DC and its diagonal intersect each other at a point O. This is the diagonals. Point O. First we can write given. That is AB is parallel to DC and required to prove is AO by BO equals to CO by DO. This is required to prove. Construction. To find AO by BO equals to CO by DO, we want to have another vertex in the AD side and BC side. So we construct this side from O, it is EF. This is the side which is parallel to DC and AB, which is parallel to EF, is parallel to AB and DC. Then prove from triangle DAB. You can take DAB, this is DO and OB is common is there for DBC and ABD. This is triangle DAB is taken. DAB is taken. Then from BPT, by BPT, we can write DE by EA. DE by EA equals to DO by OB. This is DO by OB. It is the first equation. Please next type again. DAC triangle. Triangle DAC. This by BPT. You can write as DE by EA. Since EO and DC are parallel, so we can write DE by EA and is equals to CO by OA. This is the second equation. From 1 and 2, this DE by EA is equal, so we can write directly this is CO by OA equals to DO by OB We want AO by BO equals to CO by DO. By cross multiplication, this is OA or AO. This is OA. AO by BO equals to CO by BO. This is the required. This is all. Null of height 90 centimeters is walking away from the base of a lamp at 1.2 meter per second. The lamp post is 3.6 m, that is meters, above the ground. Find the length of her shadow after 4 seconds. If you assume that it is the lamp post, it is 3.6 m, that is 3.6 meters above the ground, and this is the base. First write this, given height of the girl is equals to 90 centimeters. In meters we can convert, that is 90 by 100 meters, that is 0.9 meters. When she travels away from the lamp post or some distance, it is 0.9 m. It is the shadow. This is shadow. We want to find this length. This is x. Next, the lamp post is 3.6 meters. Find her shadow, length of her shadow after 4 seconds. If it travels in a 1.2 meter per second, then after 4 seconds, she travels is the distance she travels after 4 seconds. It is equals to 1.2 into 4. This is the speed into time, that is distance. Then 4 to the 8, 4 was the 4.8 meters. This is the 4.8 meters. This is the 0.9. For length is 3.6 meters. And we denote this A, B, C, D, E. From this diagram, you know that diagram AE is parallel to DB and it is 90 degrees and it is also 90 degrees. You know that a girl is standing straightly, so it is from base to height it is 90 degrees, and the lamp post is also in the base to height, this is 90 degrees. Both these two angles are 90 degrees by AA criteria. This is angle. These two triangles from AEC and DBC, these two triangles are equal, so we can take AA similarity. These two triangles are similar. These two triangles are similar. That is AEC triangle is similar to BDC. From this one, C is the only angle. Is the only angle. So we can take C is the only angle. This is similar angle for two triangles. And we can take as AE by DB equals to this. AE by DB equals to AC by PC. We can take this. AE is 3.6 meters and DB is 0.9. It is equals to AC is 4.8 plus x, that is 4.8 plus x, and BC equals to x. We want to find BC. From this, 9 1 9 4, that is 0.9 into 4 equals to 3.6. This is 4. By cross multiplication, 4x equals to 4.8 plus x. This is x goes to this side. 4x minus x equals to 4.8. This 3x equals to 4.8. x equals to 4.8 by 3. Can divide this 4.8 divided by 3. 3 1 are 3. This is 1 point. This is 1.8 point. This is 18. This is 1.6 m. X is 1.6 m. This is the shadow of the girl. AB, CD, PQ are perpendicular to BD. This is BD and AB, CD and PQ are perpendicular to BD and AB equals to X, CD equals to Y and PQ equals to Z. Prove that 1 by X plus 1 by Y equals to 1 by Z. Then first given this is AB, comma CD, comma PQ are perpendicular to BD. This AB equals to X, CD equals to Y, PQ equals to Z. Next, equation to prove is 1 by X plus 1 by Y equals to 1 by Z. This is the required to prove. And prove first we can take triangle ABD and PQD. Both are having same angle, that is D. Same angle, D is same angle. So by angle criteria, we can take ABD. Triangle ABD is similar to triangle PQD. From this AB by PQ equals to BD by QD. BD by QD. This is the first equation. Next we can take this is AB equals to X, PQ equals to Z equals to BD we don't know, as it is we can write BD by QD. This is first equation. Next we can take the triangles CDB and PQB, having B as the common angle. B is common angle. So triangle CDB is similar to PQB, angle PQB, having B as similar angle, and Q is the 90 degrees and D is 90 degrees. By AA principle, by AA criteria, we can write CD by PQ equals to BD by QB. BD by QB. This we can write as CD Y, PQ equals to Z equals to BD. Here we don't know. BD equals to QB. This is the second equation. We want the x position in the denominator x and y we want. So we can reciprocal both the first and second equations. Then we get z by x equals to qd by bd. It is the first equation. By reciprocal second equation we can get z by y equals to qb by bd. Then by adding 1 and 2 we get this z by x plus z by y equals to qd by bd plus qb by bd. From this z is common. 1 by x plus 1 by y is equals to bd denominator by qd plus qb. qd plus qb, this is bd. qd plus qb, this is bd. can write QD plus QB as BD by BD. These two are cancelled. Then 1 by x plus 1 by y equals to z goes to that side 1 by z. This is the flagpole 4 meters tall casts a 6 meter shadow. At the same time, a nearby building casts a shadow of 24 meters. How tall is the building? First, we will take a flagpole of height 4 meters on 6 meters shadow. 4 meters and 6 meters shadow. This is A, B, C. It is 90 degrees. Then at the same time a nearby building casts a shadow of 24 meters. It is a building. Then it is cast 24 meters. This is D, E, F. This is 90 degrees. And we want to find X. Given this is flagpole height equals to 4 meters. Then shadow height equals to 6 meters. Then building shadow equals to 24 meters. Building equals to building height we want to find. This is X. These two angles, this is angle B and the angle E are equal, that is 90 degrees, by angle criteria, that is AA. These two triangles, that is triangle ABC, is similar to triangle DEF. So we can write as AB by DE equals to BC by EF. You can write by AA criteria. Then AB is 4, DE we don't know X, BC is 6 and EF is 24. This one's 6 4 is 24. Then X equals to, by cross multiplication, X equals to 4 4 is 16 meters. The height of the building is 16 meters. The areas of two similar triangles are 8 cm square and 49 cm square respectively. The altitude of the bigger triangle is 4.5 centimeters. Find the corresponding altitude of the smaller triangle. First we can take the triangle. The altitude is 4.5 centimeters and smaller triangle. This we want to find X. Given area we get triangle, this is A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. So area of A, B, C equals to 49 centimeter square and area of E, F, G equals to 8 centimeter square and the altitude of bigger triangle, that is ABC, equals to 4.5 centimeter square. And we want to prove, required to prove is altitude of E of G, that is EH. This proof is equal to, first take this one. You know that area of ABC by area of E of G equals to both bigger altitude by smaller altitude, that is AD by EH. This is area of triangle ABC is 49, and EFG is 8 equals to AD, that is 4.5 by X. See, cross multiplication, 49 X equals to 5 of 40, if 4 job 32 plus 360.36 is the X equals to 36 by 49 is equals to 49 36 0. This is 360 49 8 9 72 and for the 32 plus 7 392. This is 49 7 7 9 63 7 4 28 28 plus 6, that is 54. This is 343 7 17 0. This is 49 3 3 9 27 3 4 12 30 14 147. This is 147. Then 3 13 is something. This is 0.73. Similarly, this is approximately 0.73 centimeters. ABC is an isosceles triangle, right angle at C. Prove that AB square equals to 2AC square. First we can draw the triangle, right angle isosceles. Since C is the right angle, then ABC is isosceles right angle triangle, that is two sides must be equal. So we can write given ABC, triangle ABC is an isosceles right angle at C. Required to prove is AB square equals to 2AC square, then proof equals to by Pythagoras theorem. We know that AB square equals to AC square plus CB square. So you know that AB square equals to, these two sides are equal, then we can write CB equals to AC. You know that CB equals to AC. Then AC square plus AC square is equals to AB square equals to 2AC square. This is a wire attached to the vertical pole of height 18 meters is 24 meters long. A wire is 24 meters long and the height of the vertical pole is 18 meters long. And as a stake attached to the other end, how far from the base of the pole should the stake be driven so that the wire will be taut? First we can take in, this is the vertical pole, the vertical pole, and it is the wire, it is stake, this is the stake, that is wire. It is height is 18 and 24 meters is the wire. It is the stake. If we pull the stake, how far this is the wire will be taut is the question. Then we want to find given height of the vertical pole equals to 18 meters long and length of the wire equals to 24 meters long. Then required to prove is given how far the wire will be taut. Then by given that a stake is attached to the given stake attached to other n. Next, by Pythagoras theorem, you know that Pythagoras theorem is P, Q, R we can take. By this Pythagoras theorem, you know that PR square equals to PQ square plus this one x square. Then PR, that is 24 whole square, which is equals to PQ is 18 square plus x square. 24 square, that is 24 into 24, 16, 2 4 to the 8, 9, 2 4 8, 2 to the 4, it is 6, 576. 18 square, that is 18 into 18, 8 8 is 64, 8 1 8, 8 plus 6, 14, 18, 4, 12, 324 plus x square. Then x square equals to 576 minus 324. This is 576, 324 by doing minus 2, 5, 252. X equals to 252, x square equals to 252, x equals to root over 252. By doing LCM for 252, 2 ones, 2 to the 4, 2 6 are 12, 2 6 are 12, 2 3 are 6, 3 2 are 6, 3 1 are 3, 7 3 are 21. These two take as 1 2, and these 2 3s take as 1 3. This 2 3 is 6 and 7 is in the root. This 2 into 3 into root 7, that is equal to 6 root 7 meters. Completed 8th chapter of 10th class, that is similar triangles. If you have any doubts regarding to this chapter, comment in the comment box. If you like my video, please like and subscribe it. Thank you so much.